Exercise 1.1. Use the appropriate symbol greater than, equal, less than to fill in the blanks. First question. -3 dash 5. Negative number, positive number. Positive is the greater. So -3 less than 5. Second question. -2 minus 5. In negative numbers, see, without negative sign you check it which number is greater. 5 is greater, that is the smallest number. In negative numbers, without negative symbol you check it which number is greater, that number is the smallest. So -5 is the smaller number than -2. Okay, then -2 greater than -5. 0 into 4, 0 into any number is 0. 6 minus 6 also 0. 0 equals to 0. 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Minus 3. Positive number, negative number. Positive is the greater. So 4 greater than -3. Next. -5. 4 minus 0 is 4. -5 plus 4. Plus number is greater. Now sixth one. 6 dash 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Positive numbers, which number is greater? That is the greater number. 6 is greater. 6 greater than 4. Now seventh one. 7 3 are 21. 20, 21 and 20. 21 is greater number. -7 into 4. 7 4 are 28. Minus plus minus. -28 and plus 28. Which is greater? Positive number is greater number. Now ninth question. -7 minus 4. Negative numbers, without negative sign you check it. 7 is greater, so this number is the smallest number. Now -4 into 3 -12. -14 divided by 7 equal to -2. Division multiplication time, you multiply the number first, after that different sign, then negative sign will come, same sign positive sign will come. Here different sign is there, so negative number. Here also different sign, so negative. Okay, -12 -2. Minus numbers, which is the greater number, that is the smallest. So -12 is smallest. -2. 5 minus 4 is 1. -2 plus 1. Plus number is greater number. 30 equal to 30. X less than or equal to 4. X element of natural number. X less than or equal to 4. X element of natural number. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, starting from 1. So number line, if you draw one number line like that, only 0, right side positive number, left side negative number. You want x, any number, that number should be less than or equal to 4. It can be 4, yeah, it can be less than 4. Which are the number? Natural number starting from 1. It can be 4, yeah, less than 4. Which are the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, -4 less than x less than or equal to 4. X element of integers. X element of integers. Integers. Which are integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Left side of 0, -1, -2, etc. Okay, minus numbers, positive numbers including 0, that is called integers. Okay, if you draw a number line, question is x is an integer, that integer will be greater than -4, less than 4, equal to sign is there, that means you can say x can be 4, yeah, less than 4, but it should be greater than -4. -4 is not, equal sign is not there, so you can't include -4. That means -4 greater than -4 and less than 4. 4 included, equal sign is there. Okay. So which are the numbers? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it answer. Clear? Minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 2 x element of integers. I and z both represented integers only. Integers, you know, 0, positive number right side, left side, negative numbers. So minus that x is an integer, it lies between minus 5 and minus 2. It can be minus 5, yeah, greater than minus 5. It can be minus 2, yeah, less than minus 2. Check it, minus 5 included because equal sign is there. Here minus 2 included, equal sign is there. Then minus 5 and minus 2, okay? In between and including these two numbers. Which are the numbers? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Why we included minus 5, minus 2? Here's equal sign also there, okay? Check it the answer. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Clear? Next, 5 less than x less than 10, x element of whole numbers. Whole numbers starting from 0, W meaning whole numbers starting from 0, etc. See, whole numbers starting from 0, but number line 0, right side positive, left side negative, okay? 5 and 10, in between 5 and 10, which are the numbers? 5 and 10. You will include 5 and 10, check it, no equal sign is there, so you can't include 5 and 10. In between, which are the number? 6, 7, 8, 9. Check it the answer. 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope everyone understood this one. Okay. Now question number 3. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order and descending order, 5th class onwards we are studying. Ascending meaning smallest to greatest number. Okay. In negative number, without negative you check it which number is greater, that is the smallest number. Okay. 20, minus 20 is the smallest and 13 is the greatest number. You arrange it, okay? That is ascending order, that you can do yourself. And descending also, you can do greatest to smallest number. Next, find the value of absolute value of plus 33. This symbol, number, any number inside the absolute symbol, that number will be come out with a positive sign. That is the property of a absolute symbol. We will read this one, absolute value of minus 3, that is positive 3. Absolute value of positive 3 also positive 3. Whatever may be the number, negative or positive, the number will be come out with a positive sign, that is absolute symbol, okay? So find the value of absolute value of plus 33, that is 33. Absolute value of minus 5 plus 8. Absolute value of minus 5 plus 8. Plus 8 minus 5. What is the answer? 8 minus 5 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is 3. Next 6. Absolute value 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. Here positive sign, here negative sign, different sign. You have to subtract and put bigger number sign. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bigger number is 8. Sign is negative. But I told you in absolute symbol, inside any number is there, that number will be come out with a positive sign. Okay, that is positive 2. No need to put a positive sign, that is already without a sign number, that is positive number. Okay, now negative outside absolute symbol 5 minus 2. Absolute symbol of 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 outside it will come 3 only, but minus sign outside, that you have to take minus 3. Okay. Exercise 1.2. Find the value of 25 plus 17. 25 plus 17. In the introduction part, I already told to you what are the rules you have to follow when addition or subtraction type. Okay. First you have to check it any two signs coming together or not. Here two signs coming together. If two signs coming together, first you have to solve that one. The two sign you have to combine and make the two sign into one symbol. If two signs are same, then it will combine and it will come plus. If two signs are different, then it will combine and come minus. Clear? Then here two signs are same, plus signs. Then it will combine and it will form one sign plus sign. 25 plus 17. Clear? 25 plus 17 is 42. Here plus plus same sign, it will combine to form one sign plus 17, 42. Next, minus 18 plus 35. Here any sign coming together? No. Different sign numbers you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Plus 35 minus 18, 17. Next, 21 plus minus 24. Here also two sign coming together. Different signs, it will combine to form one sign negative. Different sign combining, you will get a negative. 21 minus 24. Here plus sign, here minus sign. No sign, that means plus. Plus and minus. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Next, minus 15 plus 0. Any number you will add with 0, that same number will be get. Okay. Minus 25 plus minus 10. See two sign coming together, you combine these two sign, different sign, you will get a negative sign. Same sign you have to add and put a common sign. Negative 25, negative 10, negative 35. Minus 8 minus plus 2. Two sign coming together, different sign, it will combine and will get a minus. Same sign you have to add it and put a common sign. Clear? Then 12 minus plus 4. Minus plus different sign combined to form negative. 12 minus 4, that is 8. Eighth question. Minus 13 minus minus 5. Two sign coming together, combine to form. If same sign is there, it will combine to form positive. Okay. Minus 13 plus 5. Plus 5. Then same sign you have to add, different sign you have to subtract. Here different sign is there, so you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Clear, children? Next, 81 minus minus 65. See two sign coming together, same sign, so this will come positive. Positive, positive, same sign you have to add it and put a common sign. Clear? Now question number 2. Evaluate the following. Same type question. Here two integers there, here more than 2. Okay, that only difference. We will check it out each problem. Question number 2. Minus 6 plus 4 minus minus 2. Rule is same. First you have to check it. Any two signs coming together or not. That is your first solving. Okay, first step of solving. Then see, two signs are coming together. Then same number it will convert to positive. Now same sign you have to add up and put a common sign. Here plus 4 plus 2. So same sign you have to add it and put a common sign. 4 plus 2, 6. Common sign is plus. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. 0 having no sign at all. Here also so two signs coming together. Same sign, it will convert to positive. Every number, positive number only. So you have to add it and put a common sign. Here two sign coming together. plus minus, different sign, it will come negative. Here also different sign, it will come negative. Then these two are same sign numbers. Same sign numbers, you have to add it and put a common sign. Now different sign number, you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Here also two sign, same sign. So combine and form one sign plus. Now these two are same sign numbers. Here also plus, here also plus. So 8 plus 8 is 16 minus 3. That is 13. Here see plus minus, different sign, it will combine to form negative. Here same sign combine to form positive. Same sign numbers, you have to add it and put a common sign. Different sign numbers, subtract and put a bigger number sign. Question number 3. Find the value of same type. Okay. More than 2 terms. 23 plus minus, minus 18 plus 17 plus minus 11 minus 2. First you have to solve what? Two sign combining, that you have to solve, convert that to one sign. Here plus minus, different sign, negative sign will come. Here also different sign, negative sign. Here same sign, positive will come. Okay. Then you combine same sign numbers, 23 plus 17 plus 2. Same sign numbers. Here negative 5, negative 18, negative 11. Okay, grouped. Same sign numbers, you add it. 23 plus 17 plus 2. 23 plus 17 plus 2 is 42. 5, 18, 11. You add it, you will get a 34, minus 34. Same sign, you have to add it and put a common sign. Different sign numbers, you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Clear? Here also plus minus, different sign combined to form negative. Same sign combined to form positive. Positive number first you take and add it. 24 plus 315 plus 15. Okay. Add it. And minus 105, subtract, because plus minus you have to subtract, different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. 5 plus 90 plus minus 140, different sign combined to form negative. Negative 245, negative 140 plus 90. Same sign numbers, you have to add it and put a common sign. Different sign number, you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Now fourth one, 38. See, same sign combined to form positive. Different sign combined to form negative. Same sign combined to form positive. Now select same sign numbers. Plus sign numbers I taken first and then negative numbers taken. Same sign numbers you add it. Here also same sign numbers you add it and put a common sign. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Children, that is not compulsory that you have to collect first positive numbers. You can collect negative numbers also first. After that you collect positive numbers. Okay. Now filling the blanks, do it in book only. Okay. Filling the blanks. Minus 7 plus 3 equal to plus 3. Now what left out? Minus 7 left out. Here 26 minus 6. Minus 6 here. Now 26 is left out. Okay. Here 32 plus dash equal to 8 plus 32. Here 8. Then here also it will come 8. Here 32 here. Here also 32 will become. Okay. Minus 4 minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 given. Now what left out? Minus 4. This you can fill up yourself. Minus 6 given. Minus 5 also. Now what? Plus 12. Here 22 plus 25 plus minus 45. 22 plus 25. Now what? Minus 45. Use the associative property of addition to find the sum easily. Associative property. Question number 5. Question number 5. Associative property. Associative. What is meant by associative? Associative meaning grouping. You have to group. After that you add. 3 numbers are there. Any 2 numbers you group. Whatever the answer that you add it with the other number. Okay. I grouped these 2. After that I added. Okay. Here you can group this also. That is not a matter. These 2 numbers you group it. Whatever the answer getting you add it with this. Here these 2 I grouped. After that I added with this one. Okay. That is associative. Association. That is meaning grouping. Now question number 6. Question number 6. The sum of 2 integers is 10. If one integer is minus 5, then find the other. Sum of 2 integers is 10. I don't know which are the numbers. I suppose x and y, my 2 integers. Sum is 10. Okay. First like that you solve. X plus y is 10. One integer given. X or y. Any number. One of the number is minus y. Instead of x I put a minus y. Okay. Minus 5 will be moved this side, it will come plus 5. What is the answer? 15. The other number is 50. Clear? Now difference of 2 integers minus 16. First integer given 25. My 2 integers x minus y, difference given minus 16. One of first integer, that means first should be 25. See. Here minus 16 will come here to plus 16. Here minus y will go there plus 5. Okay. Otherwise, if you take 25 from here to here, 25 here will come minus. But you will not change this minus sign. Then your answer will become wrong. So I taken this minus y there. So this minus sign will be converted to plus. So 41 equal to 1. Now this y you can take here and 41 you can take it there. No change at all. Because here y will come from here to here. Minus y. Here to here 41. That minus 41 minus y minus 41. Minus will be cancelled out. Okay. No need to do like that. Like this. The other number is 41. Question number 8. The sum of 2 integers is 20 if one integer is minus 20. Okay. See, sum of 2 integers is 20. One of any one. Okay. Here not at all telling first number or second number. Any one number is minus 20. I put instead of y minus 20. Minus 20 will be moved. Say the sign coming together. You solve it 2 sign into 1 sign. Different sign it will come negative. Minus 20 will be moved to here plus 20. What is the answer? 40. Now consecutive even integers. Consecutive meaning just next number. Even numbers you want. Even number difference always 2. If 2 is one even number, then next even number is 4. How you will get 2 plus 2? After 4 which is the next number? 6. How you are getting 4 plus 2? 6. That meaning difference of 2 even numbers, consecutive even numbers is 2. So you have to add 2, you will get the next even integer. Minus 102 plus 2. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Here also different sign. Minus 100 getting. Again you add 2. Add 2 but different signs. So you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. You will get a consecutive 3 even integer. Write any 4 consecutive odd integers preceding 95. Preceding meaning before minus 95, which are the consecutive odd integers. Okay, back. You have to move back. Then you have to subtract 2. See, 5 is odd number. Which is the odd number just before 5? 3. How you are getting 5 minus 2? So you have to subtract 2. Then you will get a preceding number. Okay. Succeeding you have to add 2. Preceding you have to subtract 2. So subtracting 2, same sign number you have to add. Okay. And put a common sign. Here also add it and put a common sign. Same sign you have to add it and put a common sign. Clear? Next question number 11. In a quiz, team A scored, whereas team scored this in 3 rounds. Okay. Find which team scored better. What conclusion do you know? A scored, see these, how much total? 55 minus 60 plus 77. Same sign numbers I taken together, add it and subtract 72 scored. Okay. Then here B scored how much? That also 72. That meaning your, what is the conclusion? Both got same score. I hope everybody understood. Okay, practice. Exercise 1.3. Find the value of multiplication. Introduction part I explained. When multiplication and division time, you have to multiply and divide as you are doing regularly. Okay. There is no difference at all for in integers here natural numbers. Okay. You have to do multiplication, you have to do division. But what is the sign? That also I told in introduction part. If same sign numbers, that will come positive. If different sign is there, then that will come negative. See 4 into minus 7. First you have to multiply the number. 4, 7 are 28. 1 is minus, 1 is positive. Then different sign, it will come negative. Here minus 25 and minus 15. First you have to multiply the number 25 into 15, 375. Same sign numbers, that will come positive. Here you multiply 3 numbers. 12 5 are 60 into 20, 1200. You check it. Here different sign, it will come negative. Then negative plus. Here again negative and plus different sign, it will come negative. Okay. Any number into 0, that is 0 only. Here you multiply the numbers, you will get 882. Sign you check it. Different sign, it will come negative. Negative, again negative. That will come positive. Okay. First you combine this plus minus. Different sign negative only. Negative into negative. Again same sign, it will come positive. Here also same sign positive, positive and negative. Different sign, it will come negative. You multiply. Clear? Now divide. Just like multiplication sign only, you have to check it out. Division, you have to divide. 28 by 7. Everybody know 4. Now different sign, then it will come negative. Here also divide. Same sign, it will come positive. Here first you have to do the bracket. Minus 40 plus minus 1. Two sign coming together, you have to combine this. Different sign negative. Minus 40 minus 1 equal to minus 41. 205 divided by 41, that is 5. Different sign, answer is negative. Here also 126 divided by minus 14, divided 9, different sign negative. Here minus 48 divided by 12, 4. Different sign negative. Minus 4 divided by 4, minus 1. Different sign. Minus 4 plus 3. Subtract, because different sign, subtract minus 1. 15 divided by minus 1. Different sign, minus sign. Multiplication division is you have to multiply the number, otherwise you have to divide the number. Only sign you check it. Sign how? Different sign negative answer, same sign positive answer. Filling the blanks. 6 into 25, 25 into 6, 25. here 25, here 6, because 6 here, here 25. Filling the blanks. 6 into 25 equal to 25 into 6. Minus 10 into 18, 18 into minus 10. Now this is distributive property. You have to distribute minus 12 to 10 also, minus 12 to 5 also. Minus 12 to 10, minus 12 to 5. Here associative property, two numbers associate grouping with the other number they are multiplying. So first I am grouping these two because minus 3 given, grouping first 2, then third will become, okay, minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3. Next, which number divided by 6 is 3? 6 3 are 18, different sign minus 8, okay. Now like this, minus 67 divided by what is 67? You need positive sign. Then these two numbers should be same sign. Here minus 67, this here minus 1. Now here minus sign you want, but then different sign should be. One is minus 503, then other should be 503. Then only negative answer will get. Here 6 3 are 18, okay. Otherwise 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Answer is negative, so different sign number. Here positive, then here should be negative. Clear? Now verify the name. Question number 4. Verify and name the property used. Which property you used? Okay. Next, see. This you multiply. And this also you multiply. Same answer getting or not? Which property this one? Minus 110, minus 235. Here 200, minus 235, here minus 110. Commutative, because you are commuting, interchanging the number. This property is called a commutative property. Introduction part I explained. Here minus 45 into 2 into minus 198 equal to minus 45 into 2 into minus 198. Here first two numbers grouped, associated. Here second and third associated. This called associative property, grouping property, okay. Next, 135 into minus 4 plus minus 16. 135 into minus 4 plus 135 into minus 16. 135 given to minus 4. 135 given to minus 16. You are giving, distributing. This is called distributive property. Here 156 into 278 plus 156 into minus 46. 156 you are giving to 278. 156 you are giving to minus 46. So 156 you are taking common and rest of the number writing. This is distributive. One number giving to others number, that is called a distributive property. Solving, you know, multiply and add. Now question number 5, one ways you have to do it in copy. Okay, 1 to question number 4 you can do it in textbook. Question number 5. 138 into 199 plus 138 into 1. See, 138 is here also, here also. Okay, addition sign in between. So 138 you can take common. And what is 138? You given to 199. 138 you given to 1. Clear? You take 138 from here. What will left out? 199. Plus here some 138 you take. What will left out? 1. 199 plus 1 is 200. Multiply. Any number into 0 is 0 is the answer. Here also you check it, which is minus 5 is distributed. Okay, minus 5 you take common. Now minus 5 you are taking, what will left out? 15. Here minus 5 taken, what will left out? 8. Okay, different sign, then answer will become minus. Here 25 is distributed. 25 you take common. Minus 3. Here minus sign is there, then minus 7. signs are coming together, same sign, it will come positive. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. 25 into 4 is 100. This is distributive property fully. Okay, one number distributing to others. Now use commutative property and associative. Commute meaning interchange the number, associative meaning grouping the number. See, 15 into 17 into 4. I grouped 15 into 4 into 17. Okay, 60 into 17. Actually commute only. 4 I taken here, 17 come here. Question number 18 into 25 into 7. You can commute first. 7 you take here, 25 you take here. Okay, after that you do it. See, 18 into 7 and you multiply, you will get 3150. Okay, now third one, 121 into 56 into 5. 121, 56 into 5 you commute 5 into 56. Okay, then you multiply, you will get a answer. See, 121 into 56 into 5. You can commute and associated also. Okay, you will get answer. I hope everybody understood commute and associate. Commute meaning you interchange any number. This also you can interchange and group it. First you have to group the one you solve. After that you do with the other number. That is commute and associative. Distributive meaning one number you are distributing to others. You take that common number outside and you write it whatever the left out numbers and you do the operation. Clear everybody? Very important this type of questions. Now question number 7 onwards we will check it out. Question number 7. The product of two integers is minus 256. If one of them is 256, find the other. Okay. Suppose two number x and y, product minus 256. Question number 7. Product of two integers x and y, product is 256 negative. Then according to the question, according to the question, one number is 256. Instead of x I put a 256 one of the number. You can cut out the number 256, 1 will come minus 1. Actually children, this 256 here multiplying, it will be move this side, it will come division only. So we are cutting here only. Next, same type of question, product minus 875. According to question, first number is 25. Then next number is, you cut down in 25 table, I cut it, you can cut a 5 table also, you will get y equal to minus 35. Next, question number 9. Total question 10 question. If you will give a correct answer, you will get a 5 mark. Incorrect answer, you will get a minus 3 mark. If you not attempt that question, 0 mark. So according to the question, you given 6 correct answer. So how many mark you will get? 6 into 5, 30 mark you will get. You given 4 incorrect answer. So how many mark you will get? 4 into minus 3, minus 12. So total score how much? 18. Understood children? Now question number 10. According to the question, after 10 hours, what is the temperature? Okay. After 1 hour, 5 degrees Celsius temperature will be decrease. Each 1 hour, 5 degrees Celsius will be decrease. Then 10 hours, how many will decrease? 50 degrees Celsius decreasing. Now present temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. After 10 hours, How much degree? Now 40 degrees Celsius. After 10 hours, how much will be decreased? 50 degrees Celsius will be decreased. Minus 50 degree Celsius. Okay, decreasing. Then what will left out? Plus minus, you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Minus 10 degree Celsius. I hope everybody understood. You have to study rules. I already taught in introduction part. If you understand that one, then all question you can do yourself without anybody help. Okay, so practice it and study well.